Hey guys, so welcome to the tutorial for this week's creative challenge. It will be number 2. What we're going to do for this week is we're going to practice something that's called a blind contour drawing. You may have practiced this before, or you may have never heard of it, and you're like, what is she talking about? All this is we are going to draw something, in particular our hand, okay? Hands are really difficult to draw, but keep that in mind. You are going to draw it by not looking at your paper, okay? So you're just going to focus on your hand in front of you, and you are going to not look at your paper and draw your hand. So something that helps is turn away from your paper and just look at your hand. I'm kind of demonstrating and you guys can't even see me, but you're going to turn away from the paper, not looking at the paper, only looking at the hand in front of you, and you're going to try your best to draw. I am going to tell you it will not look like a hand, okay? Because you're not looking at your paper. It is just going to look like a bunch of lines, a bunch of bumpy lines, basically. And all you're going to do is set up your hand however you want to kind of draw it. And I'm going to try my best not to look at my paper, so I'm just going to move my paper over here a little bit. I'm only going to focus on my hand with my eyes. I'm never looking at the paper, not even once, with my eyes, okay? So I am just focusing on my thumb right now. And I am going to slowly kind of train my eyes to draw this thumb. I'm not looking at my paper, so you might be laughing. You might be like, what is she doing? This looks nothing like a hand. It is not supposed to look like a hand, okay guys? This is called a blind contour drawing. It's just a drawing technique, okay? It trains you eventually to become a better artist by slowing down and looking closely and noticing details. That's what we're practicing this week. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice drawing a blind contour hand, not once, not twice, but 3 times, okay? And it's just going to look like a jumbled mess of lines. That's okay, all right? It's not going to look like a hand. I don't expect it to look like a hand. You're not supposed to be looking at your paper. Okay, so right now I'm onto my pinky finger. I don't know if my drawing looks anything like my pinky finger, but I'm going to notice all of those little creases in my hand. Now I'm onto the palm of my hand, going down to the wrist of my hand, and then I'm seeing a couple more kind of lines down here. Okay, so that's my finished drawing. It's a silly exercise, okay guys? It's kind of funny. It looks nothing like a hand maybe, or like some really strange, wacky, weird hand. That's what your drawings for this week are going to look like. You're going to use your sketchbooks if you picked up sketchbooks at supply drop-off. If not, just a blank piece of paper. Lined paper is totally fine, okay? And pencil or pen or Sharpie, whatever you feel like using for this project. And when you're moving on to your next hand, I'm going to encourage you, maybe try a different hand position, okay? Remember, always looking at my hand. Never looking at my paper, okay? You're not concerned about it looking like a hand for this assignment. You're only concerned about practicing a blind contour drawing. And I keep saying contour. I realize I might not have even explained what a contour drawing is. Contour drawing is just focusing on the lines of an object, okay? So in our case, it's focusing on the outside lines of our hands, and then also on the inside kind of crevices and lines in our hand. All right, not looking at my paper, just gonna look at my hand. I'm sure that that's not looking right. I'm into my palm now. There's all sorts of lines in there. It's probably pretty funny to watch me do this because I'm sure it's not looking correct. Okay. All right. So there's another example, okay? This is from me as the teacher. This is what my drawing is going to look like. You might think it's pointless. Promise you guys it's not, okay? You're actually practicing an art skill of observation, okay? Because it's forcing you, by not looking at your paper, to look really, really closely at the object you're drawing. In this case, it's our hands, okay? So I did 2 here. You're going to do 3, okay? So 3 different hand positions. They can overlap. The lines can touch. That's no big deal. And then when you're all done with that, using your pen or pencil or Sharpie on your paper, you're gonna, just like always, you're gonna write your name. So I am writing Miss Duza, and I am gonna write blind contour. So later when I'm looking through my sketches and I say, what the heck was I doing? Oh, I was drawing blind, right? Drawing not looking at the paper. It's called a blind contour. And I used pencil for this assignment. Okay, your name, if you want to title it, you can. You don't have to title it. And then you're going to put what materials you used. So I know that this is your drawing. It's an original drawing. That being said, when you're all done, and I'll go over this in our meeting that you probably watched before you watched this tutorial, or that you attended before this tutorial, but take a picture with your phone and email it to yourself, attach it to a Google Doc, and then submit it through the classroom. Do not email me the assignment. Make sure you're submitting through the classroom so that I can grade it, okay, and leave comments for you. Do that, or you can take a picture using your Chromebook, okay? So you can open up a Google Doc, you can insert an image using the Chromebook, and then it will open up your Chromebook camera, and you can hold up your drawing, smile, because you'll be in it, and then you can submit that picture through that Google Doc. Okay, guys? So good luck with Creative Challenge number 2, and have a fun time doing it.